So can you read it? Is it readable? ठीक है. So question का असेल तो समजून घ्या. There will be a simple question. Vital-lysis concept of a region. Discuss vital-lysis concept of a region, or write a short note on vital-lysis concept of a region. Just go through the definition first. What vital-lysis committee is saying. There was one committee which was established for some other purpose. एक development चा काही plan बनवायचा होता at global level, and there is then this committee, vital-lysis committee, and this vital-lysis guy then comes up with first कि आपण जे काही development करतोय, that development has to has a region for the matter. So he gives a definition of what a region should be, because then only we will be having a development plan. Clear? So एकदम precise words मध्ये definition त्यांनी provide केली. So what is saying, any segment or portion of the Earth's surface. Well, that is what we said. There has to has a surface. It should be homogeneous in areal grouping म्हणा किंवा areal extent म्हणा. Areal is again it is related to space or area. So areal त्याची homogeneity पाहिजे, continuous पाहिजे. Clear? Its homogeneity is determined by criteria formulated for the purpose. That is what again we were saying. To have a region, first what we need purpose, right? Purpose of sorting from the whole range of the earth. See, एक खूप मोठा land चा surface है, and you are carving out a region. ठीक है? Now, when you are separating a particular areal extent from rest of the earth, what you are doing? You are going to have a purpose. Based on that purpose only you can sort it out. Because you have a parameter, काही तुम्ही parameter set केला, and that parameter should be found within that whole region. That is why we are saying कि it should be homogeneous in nature. हो ना, पण मग तुमचा तो parameter असला पाहिजे ना. If I am saying having a mountain region, it is homogeneous. In all of the area you will find mountains. So defined, a region is not a object, either self-determined or nature given. Did you get the statement? A region is not an object, either self-given or nature given or self-determined. It is an intellectual concept. That is what I initially said. Naturally exist करतो का region? नहीं. आपोआप तयार होईल का? नहीं. It is coming out of our mind. Clear? Next, an entity for the purpose of thought, created by the selection of certain features that are relevant to an areal interest or problem, and by disregard of all features that are considered to be irrelevant. Did you get the last line, last statement? You have to disregard all features that are irrelevant. जर एक ने रीजन घेतला त्याचे 10 फीचर्स असतील, हा, बट तुम्ही तो रीजन कोणत्या बेसिसवर कार्व केलाय, वॉट एव्हर प्रॉब्लेम यू हॅड, बेस्ड ऑन दॅट यू आर गोइंग टू टेक दॅट रीजन इन टू कन्सिडरेशन. ठीक आहे? जसं फार्मर सुसाईड रीजन म्हटलं तर फार्मर सुसाईड इज माय प्रॉब्लेम. तर या पर्टिक्युलर रीजन मध्ये फार्मर सुसाईड होते, दॅट इज अ प्रॉब्लेम. दॅट इज वाय आय हॅव आयडेंटिफाईड दिस पर्टिक्युलर रीजन. नाउ am I going to consider all other factors? No. My single point agenda is what? To solve the problem of farmer suicide. That is why I will only demarcate region based on farmer suicides. Clear? Okay, that is why what this line is saying, to disregard all other features which are considered irrelevant. Exactly. असायला 100 पॅरामीटर्स आहेत. ठीक आहे? पण तुम्ही त्या 100 पॅरामीटर नुसार रिजनलायझेशन करत आहात का? नाही. तुमचा जो काही असं होऊ शकतं की 2-3 पॅरामीटर लागतील. ठीक आहे? जस्ट टर्न पेजेस. कम टू एक डायग्राम आहे बघा, पेज नंबर 8 वर असेल. फॅक्टर अनालिसिस मेथड मध्ये समजा मी हा एक रिजन फॉर्म करायला सांगितला, ऍरिड कॉटन बेल्ट. ठीक आहे? आय कॅन हॅव an arid region, I can have a cotton region. But what I exactly want? I want arid cotton belt. Okay? So this may be the arid region. This may be cotton region, which is my region of interest. Because this is arid but no cotton cultivation. This is cotton cultivation but not arid. Clear? So I will choose my parameters. एक असू शकतो, दोन असू शकतो, किती असू शकतात. बट वॉट एव्हर रिजनलायझेशन, आता ही रिजनलायझेशन टर्म मी वारंवार वापरेल इथून पुढे. व्हॉट डू आय मीन व्हेन आय से रिजनलायझेशन? आय एम सिम्पली सजेस्टिंग दॅट वी आर क्रिएटिंग रिजन्स. दॅट इज रिजनलायझेशन. ठीक आहे.